What's the trend for Microsoft, gold miners, and Exxon Mobil? If that's what you're interested in, then keep on watching. I've got a cold, so you'll have to bear with me.
Come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's go together to protect and grow our money.
Let's start with Microsoft. A week ago, I talked about Microsoft likely coming up to retest this trend line up here, and you can see that I did so. Over these days, price kept flagging sideways. Finally, it hit the upper trend line here. That was proved to be resistance, as I thought it would. And price over the next 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday, have been going downward. On the hourly chart, you can almost see on this candle, this wick here, that it almost kissed this line. So the trend line was validated again. And you can see that price continued to move downwards. My thesis remains unchanged. I feel Microsoft will come down to about this range here, and lower prices will likely take place if it breaks this trend line. Now on to GDX. For GDX, a week ago, we were up in this zone here. This is the daily chart. You could see that price on this candle, though it broke through this price point of, 31.56, you can see that the next candle, the next day, it sold down. And subsequent days, it kept coming down. Now, if you remember in my last video for GDX, I said that this trend line would be an interesting one to take a half position long. You could see that, let's see, if this is Thursday, this was Wednesday, this was Tuesday. On Tuesday's candle, you could see that it broke underneath this trend line. And if it were to remain under there, then that would be the signal that prices will probably head down to this zone of support down here, where we really do want to take long positions, full positions. But on Wednesday, you can see that buyers came in. Here's the volume candle, decent volume, in fact, and bought price back up. And then today on Thursday, it went all the way up, and you can see that how I depicted it here in pink, that this was a zone of resistance. It ended up further below. Here's the hourly chart just to give you a little bit better view. You can see that the buyers came in yesterday, really bought price up, a lot of volume down here. Today, market makers gapped it up, sold down a little bit, and it retested. Okay, retested this 31.56. Retested 31.56. It failed. Tomorrow, Friday, it will likely retest it again. It will likely retest this 200-day moving average for the 1 hour time frame. I still feel that lower prices are coming for GDX. I don't see that this price action is bullish based on momentum. It's more just manipulation and price action. On to Exxon Mobil. A week ago, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so a week ago we were here, underneath the 100.58. I had already said that the first take profit would be here, and I didn't expect it to break down right away. I thought it would bounce. So it broke down underneath, and today you could see that there was some buying volume that came in and gapped it up. I still feel that my thesis is unchanged. Yes, there is some bullish divergence here. You could say that, there's some divergence here, but I think it's played out. We might have a couple more days up here, but I feel that price will continue to go down. Here's the hourly for you to take a look at. You can see that the hourly movement, the only divergence is here, and it's on the hourly, and that's, I feel it's already played out. They may move it up to about 103 tomorrow, but likely I don't think it'll even reach 104.71, and then lower prices. Okay? If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads, and remember, it's for educational purposes only. It's not investment advice. And as always, good luck with your trading.